Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to be clearing this part of the garden and putting down some grass seed. Now I did give two quotes for this job, so one was to just completely turf it, which I did suggest as you get a quicker result obviously, but the customers decided to go for the cheaper option and I thought I'd film it where we're going to just clear the area and cover it in grass seed. So to start off, I'm going to trim the area, go over it with a mower, and then hopefully rotivate it and try and level it out. So I'd love to know in the comments if you can already spot the error that we've made on coming today. So as you can see, it's far too wet to be rotivating. I'd give the customers a day and I wanted to stick to it, but I soon realised that the ground is just too wet to level out. So we make a decision just to press on and get this side of the garden rotivated as best we can. So we decided to call it a day and reschedule for a warmer and drier day. So here's what happened next. Okay, so we're back, sun's out, and we're ready to attack this mess once again. So we get the rotivator started once again, goes through it a lot easier this time. As you can see, the soil is so much drier, which is going to make it a lot more easier to rake out and level. So although I have seeded patches in gardens before, I've never done it to this scale. So I'm really curious just to see how the job turns out. So that's all the rotivating done. We're going to try and level it out as best we can. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you leave a like and make sure you leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as well. So the seed we're using today is this Johnson's lawn seed. I did use it in the previous video and it seems to be highly recommended. Let me know if you've got any favourites you use and I'll make sure I look into it. Okay, so as we're putting the seed on, I'm making sure I rake it over a little bit, and we're just going to put netting on this bigger side on the left hand side here, mainly because that's the area they're most worried about really. Okay, so that's the seeding all down. Stay tuned and I'll return in a few weeks and make sure I put up a post and show you how it turned out. Also let me know, could I have done anything better and how do you think it will turn out? And hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.